Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Contacts. Click or tap the contacts you want, then choose Label and create label to name your group. Once done, add or paste email addresses directly into that label so the list exists across Drive and other Google services. Make sure to include the exact emails members use for Google services, otherwise they won't receive access. This creates a reusable group you can select when sharing folders and files later. Next, go to Google Drive and pick the folder you want the group to access. Right-click the folder, choose Share, and in the People field type the label name or the Google Group email. Drive will resolve your contact's label or group address. Then choose a role, viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what you want them to do. Also click Settings to restrict editors from changing permissions if needed. Once you hit Send or Share, group members get access immediately and notifications if you checked that box. To finish, open the folder's sharing settings and confirm the group appears with the correct role. Test access by asking one member to open the folder link or by signing into an alternate account. Make sure files open and permissions behave as expected. If you need time-limited access, set an expiration on an editor's access. If something goes wrong, verify the group's email is a Google account or Google Group address, and make sure the folder's link sharing isn't blocking domain or external users. Adjust those settings and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.